Okay, so this is a library website. It's www.alwaysinterested.net. You can also get there from the library tab on the main high school webpage. You're looking for information, so you're going to go to Information Resources, and when I put my cursor there, there's going to be a drop-down menu. The first thing we're going to be doing is talking about is databases. So databases are a great resource because they're credible. They organize information by type. It's easy to see what's there. They give a variety of information, and they also give you citations. So these are our two general databases. We don't at this point have history specific databases. Hopefully we will in the future. So right now we're going to start at these general databases. The first one I'm going to show you is Explorer. This should go directly to Explorer. We have an address that goes directly there. We get this free from the state of New Jersey. So no matter where you are, if you're in New Jersey, you can access this. You can get there from your public library. So I'm going to search an example of one of the topics, which I don't have in front of me, but let's just try Boston Tea Party. So you don't really need anything specific for this. I think this project is pretty general, so you're not going to have really specific questions. But what's cool about this is you can see on the left, you can see how everything is separated by type, by the reference type. You can limit things. Full text is what we want because we don't want anything that's just going to give us a snippet of information. And this is publication date, which is kind of cool. You can see things that might not have to do in this in particular, things that were printed at specific or created at different times. This is reading level range. So if lower reading level students can kind of take out, or whoever can take out different stuff. So anyway, so I am going to limit this in this case to, I think, encyclopedias, which is really reference. Because we really, in this case, normally I wouldn't say that that's what you want, but I think in this case it's pretty general what you want because you're not going to be able to choose so much. So you can see different things that have to do with the Boston Tea Party, tea boycott, you can see everything about it. Let's say we click on this one. This is just like a general, quick overview, so you may need more than that, and then you can always look further than the reference section, but just to show you, this is the citation. You click on Cite, and you go to MLA, and you can copy and paste this wherever you need it. There's a permanent link if you need to get back to this. Again, this is a link to get back to it without having to search. You can print it, and that's about it for now. So let me show you the other database, which is Student Resources and Context. Right now we have a trial, but it's about to be purchased. Right now you can go right in here, Student Resources and Context. In the future, the password is either I think it's going to be Panthers. This should go any second. Okay, so I love this database also. Let's look up Boston Tea Party. Oops. So you can see reference is all listed up here. 65 different references, so make sure you look. It's not just the 3, it's more here. You can see everything over here, how it's listed, biographies, images, which is kind of cool. So I want to see when you look at images, where it takes you. This is kind of cool because it kind of gives you the citation, it gives you where it's from, a little bit about an image. Remember, a lot can be learned from images. It would be really nice if they said where, when this was, and a little bit more about it, but I'm going to show you a place where you might be able to find a little bit more about images, because you're going to need images for your project, because you really don't want anything. See, this is Boston Tea Party, right? Because this is the tea party in Boston. So in this case, we probably should be more specific and put the date of the Boston Tea Party. The Tea Party is a political party in Boston. So just so you know, we'll do that next time, but just so you know, Boston Tea Party. So here's a general reference, which is great. This is a reenactment, obviously. Probably would not want to use that in your slides. If you do, then you want to explain that that's not the actual Boston Tea Party. And here is citation tools. So you want to go to MLA 8, which is awesome that they're putting things in MLA 8. Awesome. I don't think Explorer does that yet. That's the newest MLA version. You can save. If you want to get just the URL, it's right here. They don't have a short URL, which kind of stinks, but you can download. You can actually, this is kind of cool. You can share. Oops, I don't think it's in share. There's somewhere where you can put highlights and notes right on here. And those highlights and notes, if you go to, I don't know if it's saved. No, there's a place where you can actually, save to OneDrive. So you can actually put highlights and notes. So I'll show you how you can go like this, highlight it and add notes. See right here where it says that? And then you can actually save the resource with highlights and notes right to OneDrive. Very cool. So that's it for now.